Going on, guys? Today's video is a little different. I want to go over some tips on how to grow your gaming channel from 0 subscribers or 0 views to just any growth. And right now our channel's standing at 1,347 subscribers, and we're averaging 1,450 views in a 48-hour period. As you can see, overall in the last 20 days we get 20.9 thousand views, which isn't too bad. If you click lifetime, you have 237.4 thousand views and 9.1 thousand watch hours. So now we're going to look into the videos, and I want to show the most successful videos. So one thing that I did when SnowRunner came out was create a save edit video. It was 2 minutes and 6 seconds, and in this video, this is our best performing video, I showed people who want to play SnowRunner that were experiencing the glitch where they would lose their trucks and money, how to add money back into their account so that their profile or the progress wasn't exactly lost. And so that video was really needed because there were some glitches in the game at the time, and it was a very current topic. And basically that video itself hit 59,356 views and has 713 comments, 557 likes. Now, if I go back to my analytics, you'll see here that it's still in the top videos. It's gaining 236 views. So I thought maybe that's just a fluke, and whenever I thought that, I decided to go back and make another video with an update so that you could do more with the editing, and that actually got 36,704 views, 313 comments, and 448 likes. And then the next top video in between is actually a 5M roleplay video. So one thing that is important with the YouTube algorithm is focusing on trending topics that can help you, or new games, new game releases, and just kind of content that hasn't really been touched yet. That way there, when people search something like save edit or money cheat or something along those lines, it'll actually come up a lot faster for those people searching it, and the easier it is for them to discover you, the easier it is to get your impressions and your click-through rate up, and that way there YouTube will recommend your content. One thing that has helped tremendously is actually creating playlists. So I have a variety of playlists. I have 24 to be exact. I have one for each game basically, and then I think I have a tips and tricks one. I have getting started on PC for Rainbow Six Siege, the trucking games, etc. So I do have a variety of playlists there, and so one thing that helps the YouTube algorithm is having coordinated playlists. It also helps your viewers find the video they're looking for. Another thing that I can look at too is I can go in to edit. Actually, let's see. I'm just gonna click details and see what we can get from here. Tags. So sometimes you could think like putting too many tags might be a bad thing. So I actually put like SnowRunner PC, SnowRunner money cheat, SnowRunner money hack, SnowRunner save game cheat, SnowRunner cheat codes, money cheat code, SnowRunner money cheat code, SnowRunner unlimited money, infinite money, SnowRunner, and basically anything that I think in my head someone's going to type into the search, that's what I typed in for tags. And so if I look at the analytics, you can see here this upward trend. Basically I started it the first day. It had 0 views actually when it published, and then 3,375, 7,729, and then it just scaled up and up and up. And you can see the upward trend here, which is awesome. And off this video, I actually got 58.6 views from external, 34.3% from YouTube search, which I think is awesome. And my audience retention at the start was up higher. Now it's gone down quite a bit, or through the view duration anyways. And if I click reach, you can see here that I had 145,000 impressions, 13.6% from YouTube recommending my content, and a 10.9% click-through rate, which I think is actually pretty decent for a gaming style video. If you're going to look down, you can see all the places it can be promoted. Google search, that's where people found it naturally by searching some of these keywords that they also search in YouTube. Reddit, which is a spot that you can promote videos for free, no problem. It's very, very easy to use. SnowRunnerMods.fr, someone added this in a comment somewheres, and I'm assuming that that link was picked up. Apparently 5.4%. YouTube, 4.8%. YouTube recommending it, basically. Geekguide.de, so another guide. Someone took my video and put it in a guide. And you can kind of see like the days of different searches basically. And he has SnowRunner 2 mods, DuckDuckGo, Discord. Like, there's just so many different spots that it was promoted. Now if we click geography, you can see I reached a lot of different people. United States, Germany, France, Poland, United Kingdom, Canada. Those were the top few countries. Subscription status. This is a good one. So we actually have 287 views from subscribed members, and we have 58,986 from not subscribed. So that's people outside the channel that actually discovered this video who may have become subscribers later on. Subscription source. YouTube watch page 127, interactive features 6, other 0. It's basic analytics here. And so if you look into engagement, this, since published, has got 1.1 thousand watch hours. That's a two-minute video. Average view duration's 1 minute and 9 seconds. Average view duration's half my video, which is also good in my opinion. And then if you want to click audience, it shows not subscribed, subscribed, the countries again, age and gender, etc., and revenue. So since published, I've made approximately $15.60 revenue. RPM 0.26, which isn't that great, but it's a gaming video. It's a 2-minute video. And playback base CPM is 6.15, which again isn't great, but it's not that bad. It's actually gone up though a little bit in terms of revenue. And I got some YouTube Premium revenue. So when you're creating a video, you have to think about obviously small things like the thumbnail. You have to think about the tags. You have to think about all that stuff. But this is how you kind of get these views. So if you want to look at the 5M video as a comparison, it's a 33-minute video, and we're going to click the analytics. We've got in 53.8 thousand views, 3.6K watch hours, and a total of $37.50 estimated revenue. The audience retention isn't crazy, but again, it's a gaming video. So we're going to click reach, and 462.6 thousand impressions, 9.6 from YouTube recommend my content, and also a 9.0% click-through rate, which I think is very impressive, again, for a gaming video. And then you can see how we have YouTube search, 87.1%, suggested videos, 4.4, browse features, 3.9. And if you want to look, we also have Reddit, Google search, Discord, Google, YouTube. And so that's awesome, because that means that, Reddit's being effective for promoting the video and this type of content. So then we click engagement. Again, you have the audience retention, likes versus dislikes. And I want to go back to the details and show you the tags. So I put GTA V5M, GTA V5M GSRP, GTA V5M roleplay, 5M roleplay. Like, I got very repetitive, and it might seem tedious, but it's what worked, because it was putting out the different variations of tags that people are going to be searching. So what these tags have to resemble is actually what people are going to search in the Google search, and that will help you get seen. So I'm going to basically click on it now to watch it, and I have an intro and everything, and I'm going to, and actually we got an ad, so we're going to watch an ad in a video right now at the all-in clear-out sale. Skip ads. So let's scroll down. This is before I started doing intros, which is what surprised me. But at the very end, you'll see I have a. Oh yeah, it just popped up there.
You can be in south.
All right, so on the end, I do have the button where you can subscribe and see a little bit more about our channel. Then I also have a recommended video, a recommended video, and a recommended video. And this is a recent video. This is actually populated automatically. Best for viewer or latest video. So if you want to get some more views off of your current views, this is something you need at the end of your video so that people can discover maybe another video that they want to watch when they're done, even if they fast forward through it. I also noticed putting a description in that resembled the title, so I copy and paste, helps quite a bit. And then you'll see different comments and stuff. 581 comments, and that's my biggest tip. So I'm going to go ahead and show you another spot that you can start to advertise your videos, which is Reddit. And one of the best spots you could go and advertise is you could find a subreddit like videos, and it's where people share videos, whether they made it or it's someone else's, it doesn't matter. But they have something crazy. They have 23,000 people viewing this right now. So if you have something interesting, you put it here. Actually, is Discord. So I'm in Overwatch here, as you can see. This is the Overwatch Discord. And if you're in Overwatch, there's a channel called Video Content, and you can actually promote your video there. So if you're creating an Overwatch video, or you're streaming, whatever, copy and paste your link there. It's another great place to advertise. And so many Discord servers for many communities like Grand Theft Auto or any gaming community really have a lot of self-promotion channels. So it's something you should definitely take advantage of. The last thing that I want to show you is actually Canva.com. And this is a cool resource on how to make thumbnails. So you have to sign up, but it has a ton of free resources. And so basically you can find templates. So let's find a YouTube template. Actually, I'm going to put YouTube thumbnail. There we go. Let's do food YouTube thumbnail. We're loading. Awesome. So let's say we're going to do something like easy weeknight dinners. Boom. So all you would really have to do is replace this photo. You could keep it if that's what you're cooking, for example, or something that tied in with it. But you could also just replace this with a photo you took from your video. And then put your title, put your logo, put some text somewheres, and that's it. It's all drag and drop, and then you download. Again, this is all free. Some other cool ones is like new mac and cheese pizza. There's just so many different options, and food's a great topic too. It's common on YouTube right now. Behind the kitchen. Replace that with a picture of yourself. It's got like this cool clip art and everything. Again, it's free. There is some stuff that's paid, but you could buy Canva Pro. You could get a free trial. You could also find these PNG if it has a watermark on it and you have to pay for it. You could also find a PNG to actually get it free and replace it with this same style PNG. And that's all I really wanted to show you guys. So hopefully this helps you. And if you have any questions, comment below. The biggest thing that I will say is daily videos, thumbnails, playlists, and also just make sure that you're promoting your channel and your videos as much as you can. Don't give up. Keep doing the videos. Keep grinding it. If you look at our analytics from Lifetime, you'll see we've had this channel for about a year and nothing. And then we started getting active and daily videos. And then when we launched that SnowRunner video around May 1st, that's when we actually had like a big uptick in views. So that's all there is to it. But again, thanks for tuning out. If this helped you at all, make sure you like and subscribe so you can catch some more tips and tricks.